potato head.
A baby potato head? Are you putting glasses on the potato head? I think those glasses are too big for baby potato head. You taking the shoes off the potato head? Oh, you rocking the baby potato head? Oh, that's so nice. You putting the shoes back on? You putting the hat back on him? He's walking? A potato head? Another one? Yeah.